Hello, I'm Eloise Reyes, and I'm the Majority Leader for the California State Assembly, representing the 47th Assembly District. I would like to thank Think Together for the invitation today to join you all in celebrating the amazing work they have done and continue to do to support our students and families. All children in California, regardless of zip code, deserve to have a safe place to go after the school bell rings. Think Together provides that safe place for hundreds of thousands of children and youth across California. They teach them new skills and experiences. They provide healthy meals and access to positive role models. I believe that investing in programs that educate and care for our children and youth should be a priority. That is why I voted in favor of the 2021 state budget and the budget trailer bills AB and SB 130, which include these priorities. The priorities provide $750 million for the Expanded Learning Opportunity Program for students grades 1 through 6. It prioritizes pupils who are eligible for free and reduced price meals for ACEs, the Afterschool Education and Safety Programs. And the governor's budget for this year includes the highest level of education funding in California's history at over $123 billion. This budget makes major investments in community schools, special education, services for youth struggling with homelessness, and broadband access for underserved communities. As we recover from the pandemic, we have the opportunity to create a more inclusive and equitable public education system for our children. Think Together, California's largest and leading expanded learning provider, has an essential role in providing social, emotional, academic, and other support services to students and families, especially in communities hardest hit by the COVID-19 pandemic. Last year, Think Together served on the front lines of the pandemic to serve students and schools in new ways. They supervised children of essential workers and other vulnerable students while schools were closed. They re-engaged families, delivered technology and distance learning resources. They ensured families were fed and provided social, emotional, and academic support virtually and in person. I cannot begin to express my gratitude for the amazing work that Think Together provides the families in my district as well as all of California. And that is why I am honored to be able to join in celebrating and acknowledging their essential role in our communities. So let's continue to keep the lights on in our after-school programs.